The big update that we did recently, which is like, why wasn't that in there in the very beginning? Well, it was designed in planned to be in there. We just had never actually gotten it into the system. So it is now there, where in templates, everybody sends templates, pre-designed templates of some sort to their contacts, whether it be new leads, lead nurturing, transactional listing type templates, whatever, about different things. Many times you want to be able to attach some documents to that template. And until now, you couldn't really do that as far as assigning them to a template itself. Now you can. And the way you do that is in the templates area, we now have what we call a document library. In the document library, you can set up, upload any number of PDF files, Excel spreadsheets, or whatever that will be in your library for you to pick from whenever you're wanting to send out standard templates, and they'll just be automatically attached whenever the template gets sent. The big advantage there is that set it up once and forget it. You don't have to worry about whether it's attached or not. The other big benefit is once you've selected a template, once you've selected a document for the template, if that document gets updated, if that document gets modified or changed in some way, you can actually come in here and edit that document, and you can upload a new version of it. So that way you don't have to go to each one of your old templates, upload each of those updated documents. It handles it all for you. So the example that I did in our updates list, there's a new video that steps you through the entire process. It's about a 16-minute video, but it takes you through the process of adding a HUD-1 explained document. And all this is a document. Now you can click on the little download button and it will download it and give you an example of the document, whatever it is. This is just a sample one that I created, what is the HUD-1 and why is it important type document. Whenever I send out my HUD-1 email template, I would want to include that automatically. And by doing that, we can go through and attach it to the system. Dave has a question. Let's see.
Does that work for video as well?
For video as well. So you could certainly use Dub. Now, Dub is a great solution for the videos and including that. But yeah, I would probably use Dub in that case, actually. I like the BombBomb of things, but if you're familiar with BombBomb, they're very popular. But Dub has some landing pages, and what you can do is within the template itself include that. Like if I go in here to create a new template, down here is a little Dub icon that they have a Chrome extension that can be used, and whenever you click on that, it will allow you to create a new video. It'll allow you to upload other videos and stuff. While using this site, it will allow you to pick different videos to actually insert into the body of the email itself or the template itself. The nice thing is whenever they click on it, it opens up a landing page for that video. Plus you can have like advertisement, other videos down at the bottom about what services you have, what things you do for them. And it's very, very well done. It's a great option.